In this video, I'll be sharing how to use frankincense oil, a doTERRA promo code, and how to get a free bottle of both frankincense and myrrh essential oil as a cyber deal, as well as answer the question, what is frankincense and myrrh used for, plus some frankincense oil precautions. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Stacy Paulson. I'm an essential oil educator. I'm the mother of 6 amazing children, and I love helping people to find safe, affordable, and effective natural solutions for their health. So let's dive in. First, what is frankincense and myrrh used for? So ancient records show myrrh was so valuable that it was worth its literal weight in gold. It's been used for centuries in perfumes, religious ceremonies, and wellness practices because of its incredible benefits. Now, certified pure tested grade myrrh essential oil is derived from the gummy resin of a small thorny tree. It has a warm and earthy and somewhat sweet aroma. Myrrh can be beneficial for oral hygiene. It calms the skin when you apply it topically. And it also promotes smooth, youthful looking complexion when you use it with other essential oils like frankincense. So some of the top myrrh essential oil uses are if you add 1 to 2 drops to your toothpaste and then just go ahead and brush your teeth with that. It has great cleansing benefits. Also, you can diffuse it to create a balanced atmosphere. It's great when you blend it with your moisturizer. It helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. And then also just using 1 or 2 drops in water and using that as a gargle, like a quick mouthwash or rinse. Now, I want to hop over to an app that I use a lot when I'm looking up how to use essential oils. So myrrh is kind of known for drying, healing, and nurturing. So myrrh actually means bitter and was referred to in the Bible as the balm of Gilead. It was given as a gift to the Christ child and also presented at his death to be used prior to burial. So some of the kind of lesser known ways to use myrrh. You can use it for gums, bleeding gums, for fine lines, dry skin, stretch marks, cracked heels. So you can just rub it right on. Also, it's great for your thyroid. It's a great support if you have any type of thyroid issues. Digestive upset, cramping, diarrhea. It's good for eczema. Also, if you have things like athlete's foot, those fungal infections. You can also use it for respiratory support. If you have a sore throat, you can gargle with that. If you have that congestion and mucus, it's also great for when you have low mood, having those like anxious feelings, right? To help with that. It's known to be used in like meditations. That's often what people associate it with, and helping with emotional balance. So some really great, amazing uses for myrrh. Now let's look at frankincense, side effects, and frankincense oil precautions, because not all essential oils are created equal. In fact, recent independent research showed that 80 to 90% of all the essential oils on the market are either synthetic or they've been adulterated in some way. And so when you're using frankincense essential oil that's not pure and potent, that you risk having some side effects. And it could be side effects like when you use toxic things, like toxic chemicals, fragrances, phthalates, that they can be harmful to you. And in addition to that, they just don't work, right? They don't have the medicinal effects that certified pure tested grade, the high quality of pure and potent essential oil will have. So when I'm talking about these uses for myrrh and frankincense, I'm talking about the quality of essential oil that I always get from doTERRA. That's why I recommend doTERRA, because I know that it's certified through independent labs, but that's what you want to make sure that you're getting. So before I share the doTERRA promo code and how to get frankincense and myrrh for free this month, let's dive into the background of frankincense oil. What is frankincense oil good for? And then also how to use essential oils in general, right? So boswellia trees have been celebrated for centuries. The Babylonians and Assyrians would burn tree resin in religious ceremonies for contemplative meditation, and the ancient Egyptians used it in perfumes and salves to help soothe their skin. And then oil from the resin has long been used for Ayurvedic and traditional Chinese health practices. And the use of frankincense and myrrh in the Bible suggests that it has powerful properties. They have powerful properties. So doTERRA Premium Frankincense Essential Oil is a proprietary blend of resins from 4 different species of boswellia trees. So consider the king of oils. Frankincense essential oil has extraordinary health benefits when you're using it topically or internally. So I also have a video of how to use frankincense specifically on your face. I will link that up. But then also, according to preclinical research, frankincense essential oil may promote cellular function, healthy cellular function when you're taking it internally. Again, that's why you want to make sure you're using a pure and potent oil. Most frankincense essential oil will say not for internal use. That is a trigger that it's not pure or it's synthetic. Experimental research suggests internal use of frankincense essential oil that's high in alpha pinene. So this is a chemical that's found in pure frankincense essential oil, that it may provide soothing effects to the body. Because of the oil's significant level of alpha pinene, preclinical research also indicates that frankincense essential oil may also be helpful for healthy skin structure. And I'll get more into that. So it's nourishing and clarifying as an addition to your daily skincare. And these oils are warm. There's an herbal aroma to them. And it also creates a relaxing, let me turn that off, and uplifting atmosphere. So the primary benefits of frankincense essential oil. Frankincense essential oil may help support cellular function when, again, used internally. And frankincense oil provides a comforting and uplifting aroma, especially for your mood when you have low mood. And I want to jump over to, I use an app that talks specifically about the emotions of different essential oils. So frankincense is the oil of truth. And so if you're dealing with negative emotions like abandonment or spiritual disconnection, unprotected, spiritual darkness, misaligned, frankincense can help you to feel enlightened, feel loved, protected, discerning, spiritually open, and connected. So that's from an emotional standpoint. Now, also, frankincense has some little known secret ways to use it. Let me jump back to my other app and share with you. Type this in. So this is the oil of restoring, repairing, and regenerating. So it is great for immune health. So if you're dealing with stuff with your immune system, it's also great for anything brain, cognitive function, brain function. Frankincense essential oil specifically is known to be able to pass the blood-brain barrier. Few substances can do that, and helps to support cognitive function, the healthy functioning of your brain. So think of all the challenges that may go wrong, or things that you're dealing with as far as your brain. Again, wrinkles, wounds, moles, scars, stretch marks. And I've used them for many of these things. Also sciatica, back pain, headaches, the severe aches and pains in your brain, low mood, anxious feelings, even think postpartum, like some of the emotions that you deal with there, liver toxicity, autoimmune support, also respiratory support. If you're dealing with things around that, frankincense is great applied topically for breast health. And then heavy menstruation, warts, bites, meditation, prayer, focus, emotional balance. So many amazing things that we can use frankincense essential oil for. So if you don't have a doTERRA membership, you can get a free 15 milliliter bottle of doTERRA frankincense and also a 5 milliliter bottle of myrrh, plus additional bonuses. And all you need to do is it's a 200 PV, that's point value order, through the link in the description that I'll give you. This link will unlock 25% off. So you are paying retail prices. You'll get a 25% discount, and you will also get a free membership with doTERRA. So the link also will have a promo code attached. So in addition to those freebies, you will also be able to get free shipping, a free diffuser, and then 3 additional essential oils will come with that. So when you click on the link, you'll see those populated into your cart, and you can order whatever you want. I will give some suggestions down in the description if you're new to essential oils, maybe some different packages that you might want to get started with. But when you click on that, that will populate with the promo code, and you'll see all of those freebies. And then all you need to do is take a screenshot after you place that order and send that email to me at hello@stacypaulson.com. Again, I will put that in the description. And then I will send you the free bottle of myrrh essential oil and a welcome package that has some of my top products that I love from doTERRA included in that. Now, if you already have a doTERRA, an active doTERRA membership, you can get a free bottle of frankincense and with any 200 PV order, up to 4 of them. If you don't have an active doTERRA account, go ahead and reach out to me, reach out through my email, and I can help you to get that $35 or the $25 renewal fee waived and some other bonuses for you. So go ahead and reach out to me. Now, if you're watching this and the promos are gone or the supplies are gone, I will also put a link to the current promotions that I offer, that doTERRA offers. So if you want to take advantage of those, and I'll also put up a link for my free essential oils guidebook that you can download and use as a great resource.